If there's one product worth incorporating into your weekly skincare routine, it's a face mask. But, like any other skincare product, you should choose carefully to pick the right one for you. The first type is peel-off masks. Peel-off masks are ideal for all skin types. They help eliminate dead skin cells, absorb excess oil, clear clogged pores, and nourish drier skins. They have a gel-like consistency and are left to dry for a few minutes before you peel them off. Clay and mud masks. These masks are ideal for oily and combination skin types. They draw out oil and absorb excess grease and impurities. Clay and mud masks help to unclog pores, remove excess sebum, and deep cleanse the skin. They dry on your skin for over a period of 5 to 15 minutes and washed off. Cream masks. These are great for dry skin, targeting excessive dryness. They boost the moisture levels of the skin and help banish dry patches and flakiness. They have a creamy texture and work like a rich moisturizer. Bubble masks. Bubble masks are suitable for oily and combination skin types. These are cleansing masks that create foam or form bubbles due to an oxygenation process. These bubbles remove excess oil, clear blackheads, and unclog pores. Gel masks. Gel masks are perfect for sensitive skin as well as oily skin type. They are generally water-based and oil-free. They soothe irritated skin and have a wonderfully cooling effect. The gel should be left on for 10 to 15 minutes. The right face mask for a skin type will give your skin all the additional benefits it needs. Your skin is sure to thank you for this.